My name is Ken Lupo, and I am the Director of Technology for Humantech, a VelocityEHS company. Our overall mission is to do ergonomics right. And what that means is helping people, clients, manufacturing, reduce injuries and improve efficiencies at the same time. So it's not just making things safer, but also making things better. I've been the Director of Technology for 9 years. My primary focus is architecting our software and then making sure it stays up, it works right, create new features, and do all the things that comes with having an online software platform.
So we have a team of 20 plus ergonomics consultants. We do on-site consulting, we do training, and a lot of online training now comes from the e-learning modules that we have. As an e-learning developer, I started out as a technical writer, and that kind of work has morphed into e-learning nowadays.
I think the trigger that made us realize we needed to branch out into other languages was once we started to have some global clients and they saw the success that they were having here in the United States and North America, it was just a natural progression for us to offer our e-learning and our application in those languages.
Companies are requesting more languages because they have employees in different parts of the world. And so they're all going to want to be trained on the same topics, and they need to be speaking the same language. Translations are the only way that's going to happen.
We did a survey across all our clients, what's your largest need for language translations for our applications. We knew that we were going to have to put our product in German. It had to be done. And since we were doing German, well, we may as well do Spanish and French because those three became the top three. And we knew we had to do those. We want people using our system, using our process, because usage equals money, right? And subscriptions. And our service is subscription-based. So we want them coming back year after year. And so that's what gets us there.
The reason we know we can't use free online translation tools to do our translation is because if you've ever tried to put something in there, you know it's not going to come out exactly right on the other end. It might, but there's a lot of meaning that could easily be lost. And we have a lot of content that we need to get it across exactly because sometimes it's a safety issue.
When looking for a partner, we had initially looked at SpokenHere and a couple other vendors. You always want to understand the market, look at other companies, and then understand if they're the best. It's not just because they're saying it. It's because you know they meet our needs. We trust them, they exceed our expectations, and they deliver on time.
What impresses me is that now SpokenHere seems to have really upgraded their ability to do the engineering and putting these files all back together and making sure they function, including all of the pieces, the narration and all the animation and everything. In working with SpokenHere, we have a dedicated project manager named Kathleen Clark. Kathleen and I have been working together for at least 7 or 8 years. And in the beginning, there was some things to work out, but she keeps her eye on the ball. And she always lets me know what current progress and where we're going next, what to expect. So working with her has become very easy, and we have our process down because we've done so many now. So it's working out very well.
There's never a barrier for us to accomplish our goals when we work with SpokenHere.
The company itself continues to grow. We have, I think it's 15 to 20% growth year over year for the past 5 years. That's incredible growth.
In the end, our clients, they have a safer workplace, and that's a win-win for everybody.
SpokenHere, building better relationships worldwide.